Hi, I am Saurabh. Today I introduce about infusion pump, how to operate and use. This is Terumo brand infusion pump and model is TE112. This is a sensor uh, for check fluid level and which is connected in the behind the machine. This is the connector and another one is AC power. Okay, so today I introduce how to operate this machine. This is a saline line. This is a key for lock and open and close. This is a fluid level. This is down and this is lock. This is up and it's open. Okay, it's important to check how before use. Okay, I set up this sensor in infusion line or tube. Just connect easily. Okay, now I connect saline line in infusion pump. This is open. I connect this saline line in properly. This is a key. Okay, this is a proper connection. And close the door. Up this lever and press down. Okay, now I start this machine and at first I check this level is up, it's open. Okay, I start this machine to press power button. Now machine is ready for work. At first I set this ml and ml per hour maximum dose rate and dose rate and dose limit. Okay, at first we set dose limit. Dose limit is 100 or 300 ml and set dose rate per hour, how many dose infuse in this patient. I set 80 ml per hour infuse. Okay, this is the setup. I start this machine to press this start and stop button. This one is a start and stop button. I press this start button. Okay, now this machine is ready and to working, and it's working. Okay, we check it how many fluid infused in patient. Okay, 80 ml per hour. Okay, if sometimes we need bolus mode to increase infuse in this patient. So at first we press this button for a stop normal working, then press this button for bolus. Now infused in bolus. Okay, I release this button, then bolus is a stop. This button is pressed for a start normal operation. Okay, now this is normal operation. Okay, thank you for watching.